Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here is another beautiful sculpture. So the procedure is the same. I am wrapping the foil around the glass bottle. You can use any kind of bottle, plastic or can even. Then you have to give the shape of the body to the foil, wrapping the tape around the bottle and the foil to stick them together. And then I will be making the body shape. I will be turning it backward a little bit, like she's turning back a little bit, in a pose, in a different style, in a pose. Then these are the foil arms which I'm going to stick. One will be upward and the other one is like she's holding the bird in her hand. These are here for the time being. I just put the other arm on her waist, because first I was thinking to leave it like this, then the idea came in my mind to change the arm position to make a bird, to make it sit on her hand. And then I'm covering this foil with paper mache clay. You can use any kind of air dry clay, or you can go for the newspapers and the white glue mixture as well, or even cement. So for this time, here you can see I'm changing the position for her arm, and then I will be applying the paper mache clay here after giving it the position. And this time I tried my best to apply the clay with the smooth silicone tool to do not have the rough edges after it get dry. So I was working very slowly here on this point to make the smooth legs and even the arms. So yeah, it was a little bit time taking this time for me. And so this is done now, the almost dry, and this is play-doh I'm going to use. I don't have black color clay today, so I'm using this orange color. The can, this one I will be using to stick the bottle on it to make it more long, the sculpture, instead of having a short height, because I love to give the fabric a nice style and wrappings. So this is the clay, polymer clay, or not polymer clay, I mean this is like play-doh, which looks like now carrot shape, but don't worry, this is not carrot. I'm just trying to give the shape for her leg, and I'm gonna stick it. Later on, once it's dry, I will be leaving it over the heater to get it dry completely, and yes, it will not melt, don't worry. Secondly, I didn't make the leg with the foil this time, because I wanted to get a nice smooth shape for the leg. So I tried to use the clay, and I'm applying this white glue and water mixture on top of the glue to make it stay smooth, silky, and to dry perfectly. Top of the Now here I have cement mixed with water, and this is the linen type fabric. It's not stretchy, but it's a nice soft fabric which will be giving nice wrinkles and wrapping for the dress, which I am going to dip it into the cement, and then I am going to stick it around her body. So here, in giving the style, it's totally up to you. I don't need to explain anything, because I have my own style and you have your own style, so you can go for anything you like. So I'm just doing it. I took the fabric, and here the arms became very hard, sticky. That's why it's very easy to hold the fabric, because the clay became very hard and dry, the paper mache clay. So the fabric is heavy itself, and that's why it's easy for the arms to hold the fabric. And I'm leaving a little bit space here as well to put the leg. And here, this cement bowl, I put it on the bag just for the support, because it was heavy from the fabric side. And this is the bird I was making. I didn't show the tutorial because I just tried myself, and I decided to put it over her hand. Now next day it was dry completely. Here I will be removing this board, and then I will be removing it from the mirror as well, from the glass as well, I mean. And this is the bird. I have colored it as well, and the arm, I mean the leg and the head also got dry completely over the heater, and it became super hard as well, which I will be sticking it later on. Now here I'm going to stick the leg over the bottle, and then the head also I will be sticking it. So here it's all done, basic sculpture is all ready, and now I'm taking the fabric again dipped into the cement to cover the leg part as well, to make it the part of the dress as well, like she's bringing out like a little bit out of her dress, to do not make it looks like totally different part of the body. So I will be covering it this part as well, and I will be styling it to make it the part of the dress for this part of fabric. And then here for her blouse as well, I'm just wrapping a piece of fabric dipped into the fabric into the cement, and then I'm bringing it back from the back side to the front to make it stick with the first fabric as well. So here I'm using again this paper mache clay to make her hair. You can style anything open hair or anything else, but I'm gonna make it like high bun, loose little bit here but high bun. Here is my beautiful sculpture is all ready, and I'm totally loving it, the pose and everything. And this is the acrylic paint which I'm going to use to color her body. It's a gray color. You can use any color of your choice. Now for the dress I'm using golden acrylic paint. If you want you can make it more darker or bright color as well, but I like the shade it was giving over the cement shade, so after getting dry it became really beautiful shade. So I was thinking to change the color, but then I decided to leave it as it is because it was looking so beautiful and natural shade fabric, so I was happy for the result. If you are new to my channel, it's really great to have you here. So please do subscribe to my channel to support my hard work and to watch more great new ideas. Do not forget to click on bell notification, and it will be great if you share my videos with your family and friends to support my work. So here we are almost done. After finishing all this basic color, I'm going to use the dark golden acrylic paint to highlight the wrinkles of the fabric to make it looks like more prominent. So this is the acrylic paint which I'm going to use to highlight the wrinkles. Here you can see it. Now I will be changing the hair color as well. If you want, you can leave it as it is, this color, blonde color or anything, but I end up with the black acrylic paint to color the hair. And this is the bird which I'm going to stick it over her hand. Yeah, I didn't make the feet for the bird, but I will be using the hot glue as the feet for the bird. But anyway, I hope you like the end results. So this is how it looks like, and I am really happy for this one. I totally love the sculptures. Yeah, maybe there will be some mistakes, but as nobody is perfect, and as I said before also, I'm just in learning procedure, and I love to share my work, what I'm doing, even though if it has mistakes or it has perfection. But I'm loving totally this sculpture because the pose of this one and everything is totally amazing. Simple but yet beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now. I hope